Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Start with your feet apart, your right arm down by your side, and your left fist on your chest. Point up with your right hand, then keeping your elbow bent, bring your left hand out to the left, back a little, and then behind your back with your fingers extended. Bend your knees and point down with your right hand. Put your hands together in front of you and bounce up and down slightly in a clockwise motion. Jump up a little and bring your left foot in front of your right foot, as well as your right fist under your chin and your left fist under your right elbow as you bounce around in another clockwise circle. Move your hands down and out to either side and move in a circle once more. Turn to the right and step to your right with your right foot as you punch over to the right with your left fist. Pivot on your left foot until you are facing the left and step toward the camera with your right foot. As you do this, swing your right arm around so that it is straight out in front of you and put your left hand on the inside of your right elbow. Bend your right elbow. Slide towards the camera on your right foot, and then step over to the left on your left foot as you move your right fist from left to right in front of you, and slide your right foot over to meet your left foot. Plant your right foot and extend both arms, angling your left arm up and your right arm down. Bring both arms in toward your chest, and then immediately bring your right hand toward the left and upward and your left hand toward the right and down. With your arms extended, turn them in a clockwise circle as you move your hips to the left, then right, then left, then right. When your left hand is pointing up and your right hand is pointing down, step behind your left foot with your right foot and tilt your head to the right for a moment. If you are wearing a hood, take it off at this point. Take 3 steps toward the center of your dance space, starting on the right foot. On the 4th step, pose with your right knee bent and your left hand on your hip. While leaning to the right, bring your right hand up to point at your head and shake your finger 3 times. Shake your finger once more, but this time, move it outward and quickly down to your left hip as you bring your left foot up. When you bring your left foot back down, both hands should be on your left hip. Hop so that your right foot is where your left foot was, and your left foot is extended further to the left, and bring your hands over to your right hip. Step back a bit with your left foot, and bend your right knee so that you are facing slightly to the left, bringing your hands over to your left hip. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, and then quickly repeat it again on the other side. While bending your left knee in the same manner, bring your left arm straight up and your right arm straight out, and curl your fingers in toward your palm. Bend your right knee, and, keeping your arms in the same position, curl your fingers in again. Slowly pull your hands inward before bringing them down. On the yo, quickly throw your right hand up and bring your right knee up. Take 2 steps forward, starting on your right foot, and then plant your right foot out to the right and your left foot out to the left. Swing your right arm from left to right and have your left arm follow, before bringing both down to rest on your leg as you bend your knees slightly. Quickly bring both hands in front of you, then roll your body as you straighten your legs. Step in place with your right foot and move your left fist slightly to the right, then step in place with your left foot and bring your right fist in front of your left fist. Slide your feet together and swing your arms out and up so that they cross in front of your face before you bring them back down. Turn to your left and starting on the left foot, take 5 steps back and look toward the camera on the last step. Slide your left foot toward the camera and then plant your right foot. Bring your right foot behind your left foot and point to your head with the thumb of your right hand. Step back out with your right foot and put your wrists together near your face with your fingers spread out. Point to your eyes with the index and middle fingers of your right hand and step over to the left with your left foot as you move your right hand toward the camera. Spin your right hand around so that your fingers point toward the camera instead, and step behind your left foot with your right foot. With your left hand behind your back, turn to the right and point down and to the right with your right hand. Now, point up and to the right and step back to the right with your right foot on the E in mirai. Bring your hands together, fingers pointing up, in front of your chest as you cross your left foot over your right foot. Move your left foot back to the left and turn your hands so that your fingers are pointing down. Turn your hands so that your palms are facing the camera and bring them up above your head before moving them out and down to either side. Step to the right with your right foot and slide your left foot along before bringing it behind your right foot. Bring your right arm behind your back and your left arm horizontally in front of your chest, then push out with your chest. Repeat this move on the opposite side. Jump up slightly so that you are facing the left and put your left hand on your chest while extending your right arm toward the camera and down slightly. Motion upward with your right hand 3 times as you move your right arm upward. Turn your right hand so that your palm is facing the camera, then step back on your left foot and slide your right foot back. Lower your arms, then step toward the camera with your right foot and slide your left foot along. Grab your collar with both hands and pull it outward once. Step to the left with your left foot and slide your right foot over as you move your right hand, palm facing in, from partially in front of your face, out to the right. Step behind your left foot with your right foot and twirl your fists in, then extend your arms straight out to either side while tilting your head to the right. Turn to the right, bringing your right foot up next to your left foot, and swing your left arm up and in front of you and your right arm down. Pull your left arm back and punch out with your right fist while kicking out with your left foot. Bring your left foot back down, then step out with your right foot and swing your right arm over to the left. Jump slightly to bring your feet together and bring your hands in front of your neck, then move them out to either side and up. Plant your right foot to the right and turn your hands so that your palms are facing the camera, then bring them down slowly. Facing the right, kneel down on your left knee and extend your arms to the right, with one hand holding the back of the other hand, as you push out with your chest. Now turn to the left and kneel on your right knee, as you bring your hands, still together, above your head and push out with your chest again. Bring your hands out and down as you stand up and take 4 steps back, starting on the left foot.